Good morning. Welcome to Netty's Amazing House fried dumpling. Today we'll be making some quick fried dumpling. I don't know what I'm gonna eat it with as yet, but this is what's going down. In this soft dough, I did it early this morning. Around 2.5 cups of flour, 2.5 teaspoon baking powder, about a little bit less than 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoon 1.5 teaspoon salt. Yeah, my mind just went blank a bit. And some room temperature water. Make a soft dough, cover it, put it in the fridge for about probably almost 2 hours, because this morning I didn't know the time, went back 1 hour, so I thought I woke up late, but it was early. So now this is the dough after about 2 hours, and we're gonna make some quick fried dumpling. So I put on my gloves. I'm gonna use a spoon, and I'm gonna wet my gloves because the dough is pretty soft. So in order for the dough not to stick, and I don't want to add any more flour, so in order for the dough not to stick to the glove, I'll wet it. Just a quick wet under the pipe. See how soft the dough is? This is how I make my dough. See? Very soft. Rest it here. Just gonna make a few before I turn on my fire. This way, your fried dumpling comes out very soft. Very, very soft dough. The softest fried dumpling you'll ever eat. See? And it's best to work with the dough when it's cold and just out of the fridge. And if you find that the gloves is getting pretty sticky, you could just run your hand under the pipe a bit. But that's how soft I want my dough to be. See, I just wet my hand again. Flatten. And remember, the dough is cold. My pot is hot. Add my oil. Just enough oil to cover the bottom of the pot. Here, see? Let it heat up a little bit more. So now I'll put in my dumpling. My dumplings start to puff up. That's what you want to see. easily use a spatula, but this is it. Now you can turn it on the side just to get the sides brown. They're so soft. So, from my amazing house to yours, one love. My coffee, my fried dumpling. Sunday morning breakfast.